Hello, all my crafty people. It is not a weekly project that I wanted to talk to you about today. Well, it's the future projects. And here's what I wanted to show you. I know that I've tried to take y'all thrifting with me, and I just get too distracted. I'm just all over the place. And my mind's going about all the different things I want to do with something. So that doesn't work out very well. But I thought you might like to see what I picked up this weekend at my local thrift stores that I do have project ideas with. And maybe you've got different ideas and you'd like to share them. So by all means, comment, let me know what you think, give me some ideas. There's 3 large bags back here, but it's not all mine. I have a friend who wanted me to make her a couple of skirts. So we purchased this this lovely dress. It's very simple, but it's very long, and she's very tall. So I'm going to cut it off right below the waistline and use the bottom half and just put elastic in the top for a skirt. And then I think I might even be able to save the top of it if I have enough left over to kind of make a little peplum bottom or a little ruffle bottom. So idea there. She really wanted a lighter color skirt with a denim top. So we found this dress. And this was more the print she was looking for. Same situation. I may be able to save the top and use the bottom for the skirt. So, ideas. And this is the pair of jeans that we're going to use on hers. So y'all will probably see these in projects in the future. But in this particular one, I'm not going to outline the pockets like I did with the cherry project. So those are Sharon's projects. Let's see. I don't buy everything to cut it up. Some things I just like. But of course, I think these are curtains. That's 2 of them. They have these really pretty little ruffles at the bottom, and they're kind of like this. So I would imagine it'd be like a standard, 36-inch window. It's 2 panels here, $250. I think this speaks to a Easter dress for one of my granddaughters. Easter dress and maybe an Easter pair of shorts. So, let's see. Oh, found this. I am not 100% if this is a vintage sheet. It's a twin size, but it's got these really pretty flowers on it. Now they're directional. So I'm just trying to show y'all how they're directional. See, like that? But it's a twin sheet. That's a lot of fabric that I paid probably $250 for as well. No, paid real big for this one, $459. But I think this has my Easter dress written in it. I just got to decide on a design. Send me some design ideas if you've got any. I like something kind of puffy, but not, too fitted. I picked up a tie. A single tie. Why? I'm not sure. I couldn't resist it. It was $2.99. I think that's how much all of American Thrift ties are. But I have some other ties that I thought might be going really well with this. So I have an idea. And I couldn't resist. So I got a tie. Now, I picked up this blouse on the way out. I don't plan to cut it up. I just thought it was cute. Might use it for a pattern, though. But I thought it was really sweet. So I need some summer blouses. And we don't wear a lot of sleeves down here. And, I look up like this quite a bit, too. Brand new. With tags. You will find this at your thrift stores all day long. These have never been worn, obviously. I did pay the $6.49, but these are Spanx. Those things are expensive. So, I got me some gray velour Spanx. Those I won't be cutting up. Let's see. Oh, my daughter still wants a jean jacket. And she gave me something to put on the back of it. I don't really like it. So I found this. It's a t-shirt. It's a weird t-shirt. But it's a kitty cat in the middle of a bunch of blue butterflies. Yeah. This I can see going on the back of a jacket. So this might be And I paid $3.19 for it. So, but of course you could put this on anything. You could cut it out and put it on anything. Or you could cut the shirt up and, make one of the wing shirts. It's endless. All kinds of ideas you could do with this. Let's see. Oh, I found this shirt. It's kind of weird. It's from, was it Wild Fable? It's a white button-down shirt, but it was made really large because it's cropped. It's already cropped. Hello? Lace, fabric, anything I want. I can add to it. I can take the sleeves off. I can do anything I want with this, but it was already kind of preformed into an idea. So, yeah. And then there were a few things that I bought that I will probably wear. Like a cute denim shirt with little embroidery on it. And a skirt and some pants. But I just wanted y'all to see, I don't tear up everything. I don't cut it all up. Some of it I just buy for myself to wear as is. But I'm always on the lookout for a new idea. And right now I'm kind of into the spring, summer mode because I'm tired of the cold. And anyway, I just want to show y'all. Let y'all see what I buy. That's just one shopping spree. It's just one Sunday. It gets worse. So sometimes. But if you want to share what you would do with some of these things, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to know what you like to do. And just leave me a comment and we'll talk about it. So I hope everybody has a great day. This really wasn't a project, but I just wanted y'all to see what I am looking for and doing. Have a great one. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side of the next real project.